Okay, sir, go ahead. Sir, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, dear delegates. Myself, Neeraj Arora, Senior Director at SOCHM. I look after the education vertical at SOCHM, and I welcome you all on behalf of SOCHM National Council on Education. First of all, very warm greetings to all of you from SOCHM National Education Council. As today is Ganesh Chaturthi, so happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you all. We are really grateful to you that on this very auspicious occasion, you have joined this program, this National Engineering Olympiad. So all the best to you. So friends, I'll take just 10 to 15 minutes. So what is the agenda for today's webinar is, as you all know that SOCHM is organizing the National Engineering Olympiad. So friends, this is one of its kind that SOCHM is organizing this National Engineering Olympiad. So friends, with this Olympiad, so what is SOCHM first of all? SOCHM is the oldest apex chamber of India. So we are the oldest apex chamber of India, and it was established in 1920. And this year we are celebrating our centenary year. So this is our 100th year in 2020. We are celebrating. Friends, and SOCHM has around 4,50,000 industry members across India. So across the country, we have around 4 lakh industry members associated with us, and we have direct and indirect regional offices in all the states across the country. We have presence in outside country also. So friends, SOCHM being the oldest industry chamber, we are organizing this National Engineering Olympiad. We have various councils over various subjects like green building, sustainability, and education as well. So SOCHM's National Education Council is organizing this Engineering Olympiad. And this Olympiad has specifically been designed for the engineering professionals, our faculties, our students. So friends, this Engineering Olympiad has been designed for the professional and faculties and students of computer science engineering, information technology, mechanical and electrical engineering, civil, electronics and communication engineering streams. And this Engineering Olympiad has been crafted by the stalwarts from industry and education sector. So friends, as I told you that we have various industry leaders associated with us and various educationists associated with us. So this entire Engineering Olympiad has been designed and crafted with the support of industry and education sector stalwarts to prepare our professionals, faculties, and students for their future endeavors. So friends, in this Engineering Olympiad, so first of all, I would like to congratulate you all that we have got around 2,200 registrations for this Engineering Olympiad. We targeted around 2,000 registrations for this Olympiad, and we have got 2,200 registrations. So friends, this webinar is being organized to tell you that how you can take this Engineering Olympiad, how you can appear for the Engineering Olympiad, how you will take the test. So this webinar is absolutely free, and in this webinar, we would like to explain you that as I told you that we have got around 2,200 registrations for this Olympiad. 2,200 registrations means we have got 22 paid registrations for this Olympiad. And we would like to explain you the procedure that once you have paid, how will you take the examination? How will you take the examination? So who should appear for the examination? The professionals, faculties, and students from 5th semester to 8th semester. Computer science, information technology, mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics, communication branches can participate in this National Engineering Olympiad 2020. So the students, the faculties, and the professionals, those who have passed out, they can all participate in this National Engineering Olympiad. And the people from these branches, they can join. So what are the benefits? Benefits is that you can check if you are industry ready. So many of you are going to appear for GATE examination, or many of you are going to appear for the, take the various public sector examinations after your engineering, or in third year or final year of your degree. So many students, many faculties, many professionals, what they do is they take GATE examination, many public sector examination in their third and final year, and once they pass out the engineering stream. So if you are preparing for these examinations, if you are preparing for the Olympiad examination, so you can check that whether you are industry ready or not, whether you are ready for those examination or not. And this will give you the recognition to validate your technical know-how on a national level. Yes, because this this Olympiad is being organized by the national body like SOCHM, and we are conducting this Olympiad uh, across the country. So you will be able to know that how and where you stand, because and the winners of these Olympiads will be featured in SOCHM bulletin. So friends, we publish the monthly bulletin, and we circulate that bulletin in the form of hard copy or soft copy among our 4 lakh industry members. So the successful candidates, the winners, will be published. The name and the name of universities will be published in the SOCHM bulletin, and be published among more than 4 lakh industry members of SOCHM. You will be awarded by industry leaders in an annual event. So SOCHM conducts the annual event per year, and in that annual event, we invite the ministers, the secretaries, and industry stalwarts. So the winners of this Olympiad will be awarded in that Olympiad, uh, in that event actually. So with the by the minister, or the secretary, or the president of SOCHM, or any industry stalwart. So we will award you in that event also. Preparation of your future examination and gain the competitive edge of starting at test early. So as I told you, and you can win exciting cash prizes as well. So friends, the first prize is 7,500 rupees. Second prize is 5,000 rupees. Third prize is 2,500 rupees. And next 25 candidates will be awarded with rupees 1,000 each. So friends, we just have 500 seats in each branch. So there are thousands of students in each and every branch across the country. So we just have 500 candidates in each branch. And if I'm not wrong, Amit, if you can check right now, I think we have very few seats left. I think around 70 to 90 seats are left in each and every branch. So we have filled around 400 something seats. So I would request you all to please register for this National Engineering Olympiad. The registration fees is just rupees 450 plus GST. So fees is 450 plus GST, and the benefits are so many. The first benefit is that you can check yourself, you can test yourself nationwide, that where do you stand. So because many of you are doing preparation for many examinations, so you can check where do you stand at national level. You will get publicity, you will be recognized in the SOCHM monthly bulletin. That bulletin is circulated among 4 lakh industry members of SOCHM. You will be awarded by the industry leaders in the annual event of SOCHM. So this is itself is a very big recognition. Each and every participant will be given the participation certificate. So friends, I am repeating, each and every participant, those who are joining, or those who are appearing for the exam or appearing for the Olympiad, they will be given the participation certificate. And most of all, the prizes are 7,500, second 5,000, then 2,500, and next 25 candidates will be awarded with 1,000 rupees each. We have very limited seats left, so I would request you all to circulate this information among your friends, among your colleagues, and you also to please join. The fees is just 450 rupees plus tax, and you can join the Olympiad with the link given here. So Deepak, I would request that if you can paste the link for the Olympiad in the chat box. Meanwhile, I am I am going to take our students through the website. So Amit, please give me the presenter right. Thank you so much. Friends, you can paste your, you can put your questions, either you can put your questions in the question box. So if you have any kind of questions, you can put your questions in the question box and we will be happy to answer you. And I'm really very much thankful. I'm really very much proud to see that today itself around 900 plus students are attending this webinar. Thank you so much for this wonderful response on this auspicious occasion. So friends, if you can see, this is the website for the ASSOCHAM National Engineering Olympiad. So ASSOCHAM, you all know, is the oldest apex chamber of India and is celebrating the 100 years this year. And in December, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, he came to our program in December 19. So this is the website. You can see the photographs that many ministers have, have visited this ASSOCHAM National Education events. So friends, we do this kind of event every year. This time it was happened in January 2020 at India Habitat Center. Next year also it will happen. So this year it was happened in Delhi. Next year it will happen, say, in Mumbai or some other states. And many ministers visit us. You can see many industry stalwarts, senior educationists across the country. They participate and they join us for this national education event. And if you can see this picture, just a minute. If you can see this picture, you can see that we are awarding many students with the certificates, with the trophies, with the awards, and this is with the pious hands of Honorable Minister Shri Mahendranath Pandey ji. So this is a wonderful opportunity, friends, that if you are taking the Olympiad, if you get successful, you will be given a participation certificate. Also, you will be able to win exciting cash prizes, and more than that, you will be recognized by a national body like ASSOCHAM with the pious hands of any industry stalwarts, the president of ASSOCHAM, or any minister or secretary in the national event. So I have already told you about ASSOCHAM. You can see in the pictures as well, Honorable Minister Shri Prakash Javadekar ji, Mahendranath Pandey ji, and many ministers who attended the program. This is all about ASSOCHAM National Engineering Olympiad. If you can see my screen, as I told you, that National Council on Education is conducting this Engineering Olympiad for the professionals, faculties, and students of mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics, computer science, information technology streams. And who should appear? The third year and final year students, the students from 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th semester of mechanical and all these branches. The faculties can join. Also, the professionals can participate in this National Engineering Olympiad. The benefits we have already discussed, friends, and prizes also we have already discussed. And these branches. So, friends, this is the schedule for the examination. If you can see my screen, you can see that Mechanical Engineering Olympiad will be held on Sunday, 6th September at 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Similarly, Electrical Engineering Olympiad will be conducted on Sunday again, 13th September. Civil Engineering will be held on 20th September. Electronics and Communication Engineering will be held on 27th September. And Computer Science and IT date we will announce soon. Hopefully, it will be organized on the next Sunday, because all our Sundays are full. So all these examinations will be held on Sundays. And this Olympiad is the online examination, online test. You can take this test from your home, from your office, from your workplace. Even you can take this examination through your mobile also. So this website is openable on the mobile, and you can take the examination from your mobile also. So taking this examination is really very simple, very easy. And because this examination is being conducted, this Olympiad is being conducted on the Sundays itself. So you all will be free on the Sundays. And I would suggest you that you should take best benefit out of these days, because nowadays you are free, you are available, and you can take the examination and you can upgrade your resume. So friends, imagine that you are taking a certificate from a national body like ASSOCHAM, which is 100 years old and which is the oldest apex industry chamber of India. So you will be getting a certificate from this body, and this certificate will definitely add to your resume. This will be a wonderful certificate which will help you to add on to your resume. Friends, nowadays, when we all are passing through this, difficult time. So I think we all should do best to improve our resume, to improve our, professional knowledge. So this is a wonderful opportunity. This is an open book examination as well. So there is no, I mean, because you are taking it from home, so this is an open book examination and being conducted on Sundays. So you all can take the examination as per your comfort and convenience from your home, from your workplace. You can take the examination through the laptop, through the computers, through the mobile, through the iPads as well. Friends, from here you can download the syllabus. Electronics and communication, mechanical. So if you just click on over here, yeah. So this syllabus is open, and say for example, this is the mechanical engineering syllabus. You can see the subjects, the topics, everything is mentioned here. Similarly, the syllabus for other branches are also given, and you can also see that how much weightage is given to which subject. Engineering mathematics, applied mechanics, fluid, materials, basics of electrical engineering. So similarly, just a minute, friends. Yeah. So similarly, the syllabus for all other branches are also given: electronics and communication, mechanical, civil, electronics and electrical engineering. And today itself, we will upload the syllabus for computer science and IT as well. And you can download the syllabus, you can register for the examination Olympiad, and you can take the Olympiad. It's a very simple, easy, open to book exam. And what are the things you will have to take care? You must have many questions that how this test will go on. So friends, first of all, register yourself for the National Engineering Olympiad. Mention your particulars carefully, as the same will be printed on the certificate. After successful registration, you will get a username and password. As many of you have already registered for the National Engineering Olympiad, so you all must have received the username and password on your registered email ID. And I would request that do not share this username and password with anybody, because this is for you only. The test will be started and completed as per schedule. So friends, just after my session, we will give you a live demo. We will give you a live demo that how you will take the examination. So we will give you a demo that once you will take the exam, how will you take the exam? So this test will be started completed as per schedule. तो जैसा schedule हमने ऊपर आपको बताया है, that the exam will be conducted on Sundays, and at 11:30 a.m. So friends, you can take the exam on Sundays 11:30 a.m. and the test will be started exactly at the given schedule and will be completed exactly at the given schedule. Total duration of the test is 120 minutes. So you have enough time 10 minutes will be given to read the instructions, and 110 minutes will be given to you for taking the test. I would request you to read all the instructions carefully. There will be 100 questions in the test. All questions will be objective type. There will not be any negative marking, and each question will carry equal marks. So each question will carry 1 mark. There will not be any negative marking. All questions will carry equal marks. There will be 100 questions. You will be given 120 minutes, 10 minutes for reading the instructions, and 110 minutes for taking the test. During the test, you can move to any previous or next question by clicking on the previous or next tab. So say, for example, you are at question number 20, and if you want to go to the question number 15, you can go back. And if you want to go to question number 25, you can go to next. You can review all the attempted questions by clicking on Review and Submit tab once. Once you are in test review section, you can move to any questions by just clicking on that question. We will give you the demo. So once you will see the demo, you will be able to see that how easy the test is. And nowadays you are already, you are already equipped with taking online tests, online trainings, online classes. So now you are ready enough. You are smart enough to take these kind of examination. Nowadays it is not a new thing for you, because you all are professionals, engineers, and you must be taking online examination many times. So you can review all the attempted questions by clicking on this Review and Submit test. Once you are in test review section, you can move to any questions by just clicking on that question directly. You can finally submit the test by clicking on the Final Submit tab. If you don't, and don't close the test window during the test. So friend, this is very important, that once you are taking the test, don't close your test window during the test, because it will, you will lose time. You can log in again, but you will lose some time. So you can put username and login again, and you will again able to start the test, but you will lose some time. In case of any dispute, the decision of ASSOCHAM will be final, friends. And yes, most important things. The pass, this is the pass criteria. So out of 100, if you achieve 50 marks, you will be pass, and you will be given the participation certificate. If you achieve more than 90 marks, it will be exemplary performance, and we will put this that you have got exemplary performance. 70 to 89, excellent performance. 50 to 69, good performance. And less than 49, it will fail. So we will mention your score as well as your performance on your certificate. And this certificate will be given by a national oldest apex chamber of India, which is ASSOCHAM. And registration fees, as I told you, is just rupees 450 plus taxes. Okay. So friends, this is the registration page. What I will do is after my session, I will put the link of the website, and I will put the link where you can register, where you can pay the fee, and you can appear for the Olympiad. So my session is this much. You can you can register your name, your father's name, and other details over here, and you can pay here online. You can see this tab. You can pay here online, and it will take you to the payment section, and you will pay rupees 450 plus taxes, and you will be done. So friends, I hope I have made myself clear. I have got some questions in the chat box. One student has asked that from where we can download the syllabus. So friends, we can download the syllabus from here. I showed you the point. You can download your syllabus from here, and this is the link of the website. I'll give you this link. And as I given you, this is the schedule of the examination. These examinations will be held in September. Around 415 or 400 something seats are already filled. We just have left with 70 to 80 seats. So I would request you all to please register online, today only, and you will be getting a certificate. You will be getting the prize money. Prize money is this much. You will be getting the certificate, the prize money, and what else you want. So this is done. So students from mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics, communication, information technology, computer science streams can also participate. And I have got some questions that whether in chemical engineering students can participate. So friends, chemical engineering students cannot participate. We are in the process of developing the examination for chemical engineering students as well. So once it will be done, uh, hopefully in the next phase, we will include the chemical engineering Olympiad also, and by then you all will be able to appear for that examination. But till then, we have the test available for these streams. So thank you so much for your patience, friends, and thank you so much for listening to me so carefully. Now I would request Mr. Deepak Chabra, who will take you through the entire process. Let's say once you have paid, you will be given the username and password, and with that username and password, you will be able to log in and you will take the examination. So Harish, please share your screen, and please take all the candidates through the entire process. So friends, Harish, I would request that you please go to login again. Please log out and go to login again, because many of us couldn't see that. Yes. So friends, this is our website, and from here you can go to login. Yes. Yes. Now you are in login. Uh, you will get this registration ID, user ID, and the password on your email. Don't share this username and password with anybody. Please log in here, Harish. Yes. Do never. So here, this entire instructions are given. We have already gone through these instructions, but I would request you that please read all the instructions carefully. Please read all the instructions carefully. Yes. And once you read all the instructions, just do skip. And you can see that the remaining timing is given over there. Yes, just click skip. Yes. And now you can see that you have 1 hour 52 minutes left. So as I told you that this is a 2 hours examination, and you have 1 hour 51 minutes or 52 minutes. Yeah. So this is the first question, and you can see over here question number is given. So for this demo, we just have selected 25 questions. So Harish, you can click on the answers of all the questions, and I would request you that you can go next and do previous and review and submit like that. So do all the permutation combinations, so that our students will be able to know how they will be able to take the examination. Yes. Then go to true. You can select any of the option, no problem. Yes, do. So with the help of this previous and next button, previous and next tab, you can go to any of the questions. Say previous, next. If you want to go to back the previous question, you can tab on, you can click on previous. If you want to go to next question, you will click on next. And as I told you, this is an open book examination, an online examination. You can do this examination, take this examination from your laptop, mobiles, computers, iPads. There is no negative marking. Each question carry equal marks. Yeah.
Hello friends, this is Deepak Chabra.
Yeah, Deepak ji, carry on.
Thank you. Once you click all the options which are given here, and if you miss any, it's better, or there's an option you have to go previous and check all your questions. Like if you now I'm on the 18th question right now. So if you want to like to see that if there's any mistake in the previous question, you may click the previous button and you may please correct all your questions if you think that if any of the answers given by you is not correct. So after submitting, after attempting all these questions, 25 questions or 100 questions, so you are able to see review and submit button. I'm gonna now complete all the 25 questions. So if you can see, now I'm on the last question. If I click review and submit, now you can see ki these are the options which I have select in the in each and every question. In question number 1, I select option 3. In question number 2, option 2, option 2, option 3, like this. So you can also see ki how many questions you have attempted in all this. If you think that all these questions are correct and whatever the option you have selected all are right, so you have to click on the final submit. Maybe before that, if you like to review all the questions which you have attempted, you may please go to the back and you can also click on the that question, whatever you have attempted. So you may please click on the number question number 1, question number 2, question like this. There are 100 questions are available under from 1 to 100 are question number serial numbers are available over there. So you can click any of the question number, serial number. You can able to review your answer through these tabs. Like if you like to change, okay, impulse is wrong. If you like to select someone else, so you can click next, or you can review. The best part is this, that if you like to review all these questions here, what you have attempted, find the value of HN. If you think that option 2 is not correct, you may please click and you may please see that okay, this is the correct answer. You may please select the another and you may please next. If you like to review all the questions which you are attempted. After attempting all these questions, you will have to click the final submit. Once I click on the final submit, you can see you want to submit your quiz. If you cancel, so you can again review your all the questions. If you submit okay, then you are able to submit your all the questions which you are attempted. So if I click OK here, so you will receive this message: test has been submitted successfully.
Thank you, Deepak sir. Thank you. Nice demo.
Thank you so much, friends. While Mr. Deepak was giving the demo, I was looking at your questions. So, friends, I'll answer all your questions right now. So, friends, uh, please give me the presenter, right, Mr. Amit? Yes, thank you so much. So, friends, I will take you. I mean, I've gone through all your questions, and I think I should take you to the website again so that I'll be able to give you the answers. So, yes, friends, your first question is that what all branches are eligible. So, friends, mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics, and communication, information technology, and computer science branches are eligible for this Olympiad. So, for in this phase, we are organizing the Olympiad for these branches only, and in the next phase we will be organizing the Olympiad for chemical branch as well, because we are receiving many queries from chemical branch as well. And this Olympiad has been crafted by the stalwarts from industry and education sector to prepare our professionals, faculties, and students for their future endeavors. And professionals, faculties, students from 5th to 8th semester, they can take the examination. So professionals can also take the examination, those who have passed out. Faculties can also take the examination. And benefits are already given. You will be able to win exciting prizes. All participants, all successful candidates will be given the participation certificate from ASSOCHAM. And all winners will get this exciting prize money. First, second, third, and 25 candidates will be given ₹1,000 each, and the certificate as well. And this will be given in the annual event of ASSOCHAM Education National Council, as I showed you the pictures above. We have very limited seats. The examination will be conducted on Sundays. So 6th September mechanical, 13th September electrical, 20th September civil, then 27th September electronics and communication, and on the next Sunday we will have the examination for computer science and technology, information technology. You can download the syllabus from here. I have given the link on the chat box itself. So from the chat box you can download the link, and what we will do is we will send you the link again on your emails as well. So don't worry, you will be able to download the syllabus from here. Just say if I click on here, so you can see the syllabus for civil engineering branch. Yes, so this is the syllabus for civil engineering branch. All the topics are given in details, and this is the weightage. You can see the subject wise weightage, that how much weightage is given to which subject. This is wonderful. Yeah, and these are general guidelines. So if you go to the website and if you read those instructions, you will be able to see that we have 100 questions, no negative marking, open book examination, online examination. You will be able to take examination from laptop, computers, mobiles, iPad, or anywhere. And this is 120 minutes examination. You will be given 120 minutes, 10 minutes for reading the instructions, and 110 minutes for taking the test. So if you know you have given 10 minutes for reading the instructions, so if you complete your reading the instructions in 2 minutes, So you can skip, and you will save your 8 minutes, and you will be given now 180 minutes for taking the test. So this is up to you. And there is no negative. Each question will carry equal marks. And as Deepak showed you that you can go to previous, you can go to next, or you can go to any of the question. While taking the test, you can do review and submit. Once again, you will be able to see all the questions, that whether you have missed any question or not. If you want to go to question number 3 or 4 or 5 or 20 or 21 or like that, you can go to any of the question. And finally, you can do final submit, and you will be able to submit the test. And you ensure that the internet connection over there and the power supply over there at your home is okay, so that this examination should not be disconnected. And the pass criteria I have already shared, that minimum passing marks is 50. If you achieve 50 to 69 is good performance. If you achieve 70 to 89, excellent performance. If you achieve more than 90, it is exemplary performance. So friends, this is the wonderful time to be awarded by a national apex chamber like ASSOCHAM. This is the oldest apex chamber of India. The fees is just 450 plus tax. And this is the registration form. You can just put your name there, gender, then your father's name, then your complete residential address, qualification, branch. So say for example, you are a professional or you are a faculty, you can just mention pass out, because you are pass out. You are a professional or a faculty, you can just mention pass out. And you can mention the branch over here: mechanical, electrical, civil, electronic, computer science, and IT. And name of institution in full, name of university in full. So if the name of institution and university is same, you can mention the same name in the both side. Say for example, the name of my college is ABC College of Engineering, and my university is same, so I can mention same name in both the column, both the options. Then complete address of your institution or university, up to you: city, country, state, email ID, phone number, PIN code, study code, security code. And then you can do pay online. You can mention pay online. You just have to mention this security code, and you can then pay online. Once you pay, you will receive username and password on your email ID. And with that username and password, you can go over here. You can click on login, and then you can put your username and password over here, and then you will be in. So on the scheduled time and date, your examination will be started. So I think I have made all my points clear. So friends, even though if any of you want any further questions, any further query, you can send the information. Amit, will you please put the welcome slide again? Deepak, please mention your and Hari's email ID in the chat box so that they can send you the questions. Amit, please open the welcome slide. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Next, please. Yeah, next, please. Yeah. So on this flyer, you have the email ID and phone number of Mr. Deepak Chhabra and Mr. Harish Pushpakar. So Mr. Deepak Chhabra and Mr. Harish Pushpakar are senior member at ASSOCHAM, and they are handling this entire engineering Olympiad. And you can note down the email ID and phone number of Mr. Deepak and Mr. Harish. And if you want any kind of information regarding the ASSOCHAM National Engineering Olympiad, you can ask any kind of question you want related to the Olympiad, you are free to ask. Please WhatsApp them, or you can send the emails as well to them. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, Amit. So yes, so I mean, I just have received one more question, that when will the result of Olympiad be declared? So result of the Olympiad will be declared in the next 7 working days. So say, for example, you have taken the examination, and just a minute, friends. Yeah. So as soon as you take the Olympiad, as soon as you take the exam, in next 7 working days, we will declare the result. So in next 7 working days, we will declare the result to you, and we will send the participation certificate on your emails, and hard copy will be couriered to you all. Yeah. Thank you so much. So I can't see any more new questions right now. Just a minute, let me check. Yeah, I have not received now any more questions. So thank you so much for joining us on this very auspicious day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now we officially close the webinar. Amit, please close.